Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how to fix the sound from your earbuds shutters or its intermittent. The first thing that you need to do is to reset the Bluetooth connection, unpair your earbuds from your phone and restart your phone. Meantime, you can perform a factory reset on your earbuds. Then, try pairing them back again with your phone and everything should be nice and clear. If it doesn't want to work still, you need to try connecting your earbuds to a different source, like for example to your laptop, to other phone, or just other source. Check if the sound still shutters there. If the sound is still bad, if it's still dropping connection or everything else, if it's just bad, your headphones are at fault. If it's not bad and if it's still good and you can use your headphones normally, your private phone is at fault and we need to try to fix it. So if your headphones are at fault, like I said before, you need to contact device support because we can't do nothing here apart from performing a factory reset. You can try charging them actually up to 100%, but I don't really think that it will make them better. But this is the first thing. Let's go back to your phone. If your phone is at fault, you can try changing the applications. If you are using, for example, YouTube, you can try using Spotify or YouTube Music or any other application which is free to play the music. If you see that your application is broken, that you're playing the music on, you need to try updating it to the latest version, reinstalling it, or reporting the bug to the developers. If it doesn't want to work on your phone, you need to contact the device support of your phone that it doesn't want to keep the connection steady. Bye.